So gentle sit.
Thank you.
Yes. I like your qualifications.
Thank you, sir.
In fact, you qualifies to work with me.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Today is Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Empire Monday, we did my start here.
Monday. Good, yeah. Alright, but that's a power boss. Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You can leave.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
Alright. Gentle. Oh, sorry. Come. My mama go to me who baby what's the number and go you and I want to run.
Tin number.
Oh, you can say.
And also my idea about
Only tin number.
the mother crow.
Oh, Emma, I don't know my name. A number beer. I was so be beer. And we are part because you say, oh, my, may I see a year. Ghana need Pia, I was a winner, and I saw Pia, why not you so good to an amount be who be or so winner. Son, what to son among. It's a here, pa.
And she said,
not yet, no. You qualify. And I would love to work with you. In fact, I love your qualifications. Everything here suits me. But I'm sorry. Without the 10 number, I'm sorry.
because of the 10 number.
Yes, without it, no mean to me, I employ you.
Boss, but if I'm no one going to provide.
Just
10
like
number,
that.
it won't for me. 10 number, it won't for me. If you know what, boss, I'm not going to for your family.
Ah, nay, over
Me bon for you. 10 number.
Keke, keke. Here, me side there, unkuta 10 number, me foul. Here, pa. It is all per Juma. That's all per Juma. Projecting number.
No, me fan come for the na boss, on fan no matter how much as I. 10 number tea. But if I'm no one.
Uncle per Juma baby down. Say.
But that's it. Go before.
But make sure you get the 10 number.
How the time is here baby? Because of 10 number.
Hey, now no.
Because of 10 number, it won't for me. Okay.
I think you have to say ya own. O man say ya na mo be no. Comfort so better na kroma manabwa. O timbi.